the place where we explore the latest and greatest in motorcycle innovation, design, and performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated revivals in the motorcycling world, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX Super Blackbird. After years of rumors and wishful thinking, Honda has officially brought back the Blackbird, and it's more powerful, advanced, and aggressive than ever before. Let's break down everything you need to know about the return of this legendary sport tourer, from its performance and design to its tech features and the legacy it carries into the modern age. The return of an icon. Originally launched in 1996, the Honda CBR 1300XX Super Blackbird was a direct response to the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11, and for a time, it held the title of the fastest production motorcycle in the world. Named after the Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird jet, Honda's flagship sport touring bike was known for its combination of speed, comfort, and refinement. Now, almost 3 decades later, the 2025 CBR 1300XX marks the glorious return of that philosophy, but evolved for the modern era. Honda hasn't just updated the old platform. They've re-engineered it from the ground up to create a bike that competes with today's hypertourers like the Kawasaki Ninja H2SX, Suzuki Hayabusa, and BMW S1000XR. Design and aerodynamics. Visually, the 2025 CBR 1300XX is a modern reinterpretation of the classic Blackbird silhouette. The front end is sleek and aggressive, with full LED headlights integrated into a sculpted fairing that blends aerodynamic efficiency with menacing aesthetics. Honda has emphasized wind tunnel-optimized bodywork, with integrated winglets subtly embedded into the fairing. These generate additional downforce at high speeds, enhancing stability and front-end feel. The body lines are sharp, fluid, and futuristic, giving the Blackbird a stealth jet vibe that lives up to its namesake. The fuel tank has grown slightly to 21 liters, offering improved range for long touring rides. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new Super Blackbird lies a 1,298 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, liquid-cooled, with DOHC and a redline that creeps just over 11,000 RPM. Honda has stayed true to the high-revving character of the original while improving displacement, torque delivery, and top-end power. The engine produces an estimated 200 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated inline-4s in its class. Honda has achieved this while meeting 5 Euro plus emission standards, thanks to variable valve timing, a VVT, ride-by-wire throttle, and revised combustion dynamics. Acceleration is as thrilling as you'd expect, 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.8 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 299 km/h. It's not just about raw numbers either. The engine is smooth, responsive, and beautifully linear, ideal for long-distance touring at high speeds. Chassis and handling. The 2025 CBR 1300XX sits on a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, redesigned to improve rigidity and weight distribution. Combined with a longer swing arm and a refined rear subframe, the new chassis enhances both high-speed stability and cornering agility. Suspension duties are handled by a Showa semi-active suspension system, with electronically adjustable damping and preload settings. Riders can switch between comfort, sport, and touring modes, depending on road conditions and riding style. Despite its weight, around 255 kilograms wet, the Super Blackbird feels surprisingly nimble, thanks to its low center of gravity and balanced ergonomics. It's a proper grand tourer, but one that won't shy away from carving through the twisties. Brakes and safety tech. Braking is equally impressive. The CBR 1300XX comes equipped with dual 330mm front discs paired with radial-mounted Brembo-style McCalipers, and a single 265mm rear disc. The system is supported by cornering ABS and linked braking, providing consistent stopping power even under aggressive deceleration. In terms of rider aids, Honda has loaded the 2025 Super Blackbird with a full suite of electronics, including 5-level traction control, wheelie control, engine braking management, launch control, cornering ABS, cruise control, quickshifter with auto blipper, These systems work together seamlessly, offering both safety and performance without overwhelming the rider. Rider comfort and ergonomics. Unlike pure supersport machines, the Super Blackbird has always been about real-world usability. The 2025 version continues that legacy with an ergonomically optimized cockpit. The riding triangle strikes a perfect balance between sporty and comfortable, with adjustable handlebars, heated grips, and a height-adjustable seat. Wind protection is excellent, with a tall touring screen that can be electronically adjusted on the fly. Honda has also included optional panniers and top box mounts, making it easy to convert the Blackbird into a fully capable sport touring machine. Whether you're blasting down a highway or weaving through mountain passes, this bike won't punish your back or wrists, even after hours in the saddle. Technology and connectivity. In the center of the cockpit sits a stunning 7-inch full-color TFT display with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Riders can access Honda's RideView app for navigation, route tracking, and real-time diagnostics. Other tech highlights include smartphone mirroring via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless ignition, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, multiple ride modes, sport, touring, rain, custom. Everything is customizable through intuitive switchgear, and the menu system is among the best in its class. Honda has clearly taken user experience seriously here. Pricing and availability. As of launch, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX Super Blackbird is expected to carry a starting price around $19,999, with higher trim packages and accessories pushing it beyond $23,000. The model will begin arriving in showrooms globally by late 2025, with early availability in Europe and Asia. North America will follow soon after. It's positioned squarely between the Kawasaki H2 SE and the Suzuki Hayabusa in terms of pricing, but with a unique focus on long-range, high-speed comfort rather than track-day performance or forced induction theatrics. The Blackbird legacy lives on. The return of the Super Blackbird isn't just a nostalgic gesture, it's a statement from Honda. A statement that performance, comfort, and reliability can coexist in one finely engineered machine. In a market increasingly focused on extremes, either ultra-aggressive superbikes or full-dress touring machines, the 2025 CBR 1300XX stands as a perfect middle ground. A missile for the open road. A jet for the asphalt runway. With its blend of power, refinement, and advanced technology, the Blackbird is once again ready to soar, and this time, it's more capable than ever before. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a high-speed, long-distance machine that doesn't compromise on comfort, safety, or everyday usability, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX Super Blackbird should absolutely be on your radar. Whether you're a returning fan of the original or a new rider curious about what all the buzz is about, this bike promises an unforgettable experience. Thanks for tuning into Bike Future. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle news. Drop a comment below and let us know, is the new Super Blackbird your dream machine, or are you holding out for something else? Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.